video, I will show you how to convert PDF file to the Microsoft Word file. Obviously, there are several ways to convert the PDF files to the Microsoft Word files, but the method which I'm going to show you is very simple, easy, and it's free of cost as well. Anyone with the very little computer knowledge can do it. So I have this sample file, sample PDF file. I'm gonna show you how to convert it to the Word file, or how to convert it to the Microsoft Word file. So what you need to do is open the Chrome browser and type convert PDF to Word online for free, and then press OK to search it. And it will bring up lots of such results and lot of companies which offer this service. But we are going to go into the adobe.com, Adobe Acrobat Reader's own website. They offer this conversion service for free online. So we're going to click on the Adobe. And here it is. If you have to scroll up to see here, it's asking either we can drag the file on in here to convert it, or select or click on select to open the file here which we want to convert to the Word. So I have this sample file. I opened it. As I opened in this window, it started converting it. So within few seconds it's telling me your file is ready. So I click on download, and if you look at this left corner, it's showing me my downloaded. I clicked it and it's open the Microsoft Word now. So see, so this file has been converted into the MS Word format now. So I can see, as I can add text to it, I can delete it, I can make changes as you normally do in the any Word file. So that's all. If you have any question regarding it, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching video. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel for more useful videos like this. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.